What is the formula for an EMI of a loan? Is it P into R into T? God, I don't remember. Good thing is that I don't need to remember that. GyanDhan has a very customized education loan EMI calculator that is in place. One need to understand that education loan is very different from different kind of loans, and normal calculator available on internet are not useful for the education loan. In this video, we are going to talk about how GyanDhan customized education loan EMI calculator works. So let's start this video. So to access this tool, all you have to do is visit www.gyandhan.com, and at the footer there is a link to this customized EMI calculator tool. So in this tool, you will have to first enter three details like the loan amount that you're looking for, percentage at which you are thinking of getting a loan, and the course period. Based on these three input, first you will see three values, which is EMI per month, total payment that you will be making in the entire loan, and third is total interest that you will be paying. Now you must be thinking, it's that simple. No. As I was mentioning at the start of this video, education loan is a very tricky thing. Now these numbers can change on very small things. For example, at the bottom, you can customize now it further depending on what kind of education you are taking. So for example, if you are taking education loan from a public sector bank, there you are not supposed to pay anything while you study. Versus if you are taking an education loan from private bank where they ask you to pay simple interest per month while you are studying. Whereas NBFCs ask for partial simple interest during the same time. Now you can customize it below by selecting which kind of repayment are you looking at. Whether full moratorium, partial moratorium or simple moratorium. Not only that, the repayment across the time, especially in the moratorium period, will also depend on your disbursement schedule. In the current output, the result you show assumed uniform distribution of the disbursement. But it might be the case that in the first year you are using less of the loan money and more of your money, and in the later part of your education you are using more of the loan money than your money. So you can also customize the disbursement or the probable disbursement schedule that you will follow taking that. Now when you change these values one by one, you can see how this changes your overall interest rate, and this will be also helpful you to decide the different kind of loans that we talk about usually, whether to take it from public sector bank, private banks or NBFCs. So now you can see exactly by just changing the partial interest to simple interest per month during moratorium period to full moratorium holiday during moratorium period, how much the interest change, how much the total repayment change. You can also see by changing just the interest rate by 1%, 2%, how much the total interest is behaving and how much the EMI is changing at the bottom. When you go at the bottom of this tool, you can see the entire EMI schedule. It is including on which date how much you will be paying. Plus, you can download this in the PDF form. So this tool, as I said, is designed keeping in mind the specific abroad education loan industry, specific abroad education loan requirement. And there is no other tool that allows this much customization when it comes to the abroad education loan EMI calculator. So I recommend all of you, before taking a loan, while making a decision, use this tool 100 times, different permutation and combination, and understand the repayment pattern, understand the total amount that you are supposed to pay, and then take the decision which loan you should take for, either from public sector bank, private banks, NBFCs or international lender. Just to remind you that we have videos on all of these topics on our GyanDhan YouTube channel if you want to understand what are the different loan products available and what are the different interests that they charge. So I hope you like this video and this is going to help you in your abroad education journey. I also recommend you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever we are releasing a new video. And last, there is a big surprise that is coming in this week on our YouTube channel that you will definitely like.